Russian President Vladimir Putin said Tuesday that the country's first Sarmat intercontinental ballistic missile system would enter combat duty by the end of the year. During his meeting with military academy graduates, Putin said that we will continue to develop and strengthen our armed forces, taking into account potential military threats and risks. Meanwhile, Ukraine's defense minister Alexei Reznikov said on Tuesday that his country has received 155mm self-propelled howitzers Panzerhaubitze 2000s from Germany. Reznikov wrote on Facebook that German Panzerhaubitze 2000s with trained Ukrainian crews have joined the Ukrainian artillery family. Also on the day, the Russian Foreign Ministry summoned the head of the European Union delegation to Russia, Markus Adera, to protest against the restrictions on cargo transit between the Kaliningrad region and the rest of the Russian territory. The ministry demanded the restrictions be lifted immediately, saying retaliation would follow if cargo transit was not restored. Last week, Lithuania announced that it would ban the rail transit of goods subject to EU sanctions through its territory to the Russian enclave of Kaliningrad.